They are the best of the best. They represent the best of humanity and our most fervent hopes for the future. No pressure.
Folks used to tell kids when I was growing up, reach for the moon. But that's not the objective anymore. Now we've got to revise it to reach for Mars.
And what I'm so excited going forward with Artemis is that when the next astronaut lands on the moon, maybe one of these men and women, and by the way, as the father of 2 daughters, I could not be more excited that we will land a woman on the moon and bring her home safely.